Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Millie. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. If you're a return viewer, thank you for stopping by again. I appreciate you all. It's been so long since I posted on here and I miss being here, but I've been on TikTok a lot more. I have a TikTok page with my daughter and we post a lot. She's usually on camera. Sometimes I'll come on camera, but yeah, I was on TikTok. It was fun, but I'm like, I miss YouTube, so let me come back here. Now I'm here. So today is mostly chit chat and also people who don't know me. If you're new to this channel, it's like a get to know me type of thing. So my name is Millie. I'm originally from Ghana. I live in Canada. I've been in Canada most of my life. I was in Toronto and then I moved to Calgary, Alberta. So if any Calgarians are here, let me know in the comment section. So I live in Calgary. You know what? Let's cook whilst we chit chat. Okay, let's cook. I'm actually gonna be making some stew. This is wele or pomo. If you're Nigerian, this is pomo. It's cow skin. I have goat meat. This one I got it from, it's halal too. I mean, it doesn't have to be halal, but I don't know, yeah. So, this is goat meat. I have cow foot. Yeah, cow foot. I have tripe, and then more goat. So yeah, I'm gonna be cooking. So stay tuned and let's chit chat some more. This is my cookware that I'm gonna be using. They're brand new. I got them from Mercy Cookware. Actually, let me show you the box. It's beautiful. I'm gonna leave the link below. It's to die for. Okay. Here's the set. So, I mean, this is not why we're here, but I just want you to see it in case you wanna buy one, okay? Yeah, beautiful. Look at it. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Okay, the stove is not on, so I can. It is gorgeous, okay? Yes. I actually have the old one. I got it, well, 10 years ago, or maybe 9 years, a long time ago. Let me show you. And I've used it so much. I have the red one. I still use it, okay? This is old. I think I got, yeah, maybe 9 years ago. Yeah. And it's here. So we're getting to know me. So I moved to Calgary. I moved here in 2008 from Toronto. So I'm gonna put them in here. Then I'm gonna wash it. I moved here in 2008. I needed a change. As I said, I lived in Toronto. I needed, this is my friend's knife set, Mercy. I wanted change. I wanted to start afresh. So I started looking for a job. I think it's advisable when you're moving to another place if you're moving to a different place, to find a job or to have an idea of what you're going to be doing or to have a lot of money saved. In my case, I didn't have a lot of money saved, so I looked for jobs and I got a job before I came here. So I packed my things, I booked a flight and came. I didn't have a lot of things back then because I was still young. So I moved and I came here and I haven't looked back. I mean, I looked back one time. I wanted to move back to Toronto, but it didn't work out. I didn't like it when I went back. So I'm here now and I love every bit of it. What made me start doing YouTube? So my first YouTube video was how I made $100,000 in 3 months. But my first ever filmed YouTube video was a makeup tutorial. It never made it on YouTube, but that's what I wanted to do because I do makeup. I'm a makeup artist. So my first ever video that made it on here was that video, but I had filmed a lot of videos that I could have brought on here, but I was shy. I didn't know if people would like it. I didn't know if people would judge me, like a whole bunch of things, you know, overthinking, yeah. Thinking that, oh, people will think I'm copying this person. People will think but you know what? Most of the time, no one cares. No one cares. So, this is me again, giving you advice. If you want to do something, but you're sitting there thinking, oh, what would these people say? Listen, people have a lot of troubles, their own issues. People have a lot of issues in their lives to be worrying about yours. They can't even focus on theirs. So y'all need to stop worrying about what people will think. But that was me back then. I was thinking, you know, what if? What if someone thinks it's not nice? Like this video right now. I'm sure not everybody will like it, right? It's not everybody's cup of tea. And that's fine. The ones that will like it will like it. The ones that can relate can relate. You know what I'm saying? So, I did some credit card videos or credit videos, how to build your credit, because I built my credit from scratch when I was trying to buy a house. And so I wanted to share my experience and also let people know how to also get theirs done if they want to. And I think that's my most watched video. A lot of people have a lot of questions on there. Some people have their opinions on there, but in overall, I think it was a great video that I made, and I feel like it's helped one or two people, so I'm grateful. And so yeah, I took a break from YouTube because I didn't know what to post on here. I was kind of like, okay, maybe I should do a get ready with me. Maybe I should do this. Overthinking again. So now I said, you know what? Let me just live my life on YouTube. So here we are living our lives on YouTube. Because I like to film. I like to be on camera. I like to talk. I talk a lot sometimes, but I like to talk and I like to be on camera. That's me. Some people don't. Oh, what's that? Ugh. What's that? Anyway, y'all know I'm cooking. So yeah, with this thing, you have to like really clean it, open it up and clean it, like scrub it with your knife. Because you might, yeah, it's nasty in there. Anyway, because I think they dry it after they finish it and all that stuff. I don't know how they make it, but yeah, it's usually dirty, so you have to really clean it, get in there. Yes, so the video. Yeah, so now I'm here sharing my experiences and what I go through daily. I think my life is very interesting and I feel like people can relate. And so I'm gonna be posting on here what I do in a day, because I'm a mom of a 13-year-old. She recently turned 13. I also help people build businesses. If you're trying to build a business, you have any questions, I'm usually really busy, really busy. I have like 10 things I do at a time, so I'm usually busy. Now I'm trying to unbusy myself because I'm delegating a lot of things. My cleaning business, right now I don't actually hire people to clean for me. I have subcontractors, which is easier because I don't have to worry about managing them. That's what I'm doing now. Just gonna clean the sink. I finished washing my meats, so this is it. This is for the stew. I also want to see how I made it. Let me know. I'll show you the finished product if you want to see, or if you want to know how I made the food. Let me know and I can walk you through it in a bit. There's a thing that you can use. So I'm going to be using these, right? So that you can hold it. There it is. And it's secured. So this is the stew. I'm not sure if you can see it. This is the stew. Yeah. Okay. The meat that I was preparing, after you wash it, you put all your seasonings and you blended stuff on there. You boil it for it to cook. After it's cooked, you fry it. After you fry it, you put it in the stew. When the stew is almost done, you put it in the stew, and then it will cook with it too. So it's like we're overcooking it, but that's how it's done. So all the flavors get in there. This is what I'm eating today. This is my dinner. I'm gonna leave the video here and we're gonna catch up later. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. So yeah, this wasn't a cooking video. This was supposed to be, I have stuff on my dress, but that's okay, I'm cooking. This was supposed to be a get to know me, like reintroducing myself and my channel. So as I said, we're gonna be doing a lot more of a relaxed type of video, me being at home, working, running my businesses and all of that. So we're gonna be, you know, dealing with a whole bunch of that. So hopefully, so this is the salad, the dressing, oh, it's so good. I hope you enjoyed it. So we will chit chat another time. And if you want me to show you how I made this food, how I made this, let me know and I will do a full tutorial video of how I made my salaga rice and stew. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.